Hey guys, are you ready for clutch slip?
First of all,
I'm just kind of going over.
So what are we doing here today?
Is that what I do?
Yeah, sure. Pretty much.
Hey, what are we doing?
So what's the plan here on this sweet new Honda?
Well, we got the. I was on the old Honda forums.
Oh, what were you doing there? Were you
And-
lost?
Well, yeah, I was trying to get to the.
First of all, this is Alex.
I can. So the backstory to how I found this kit, because this just came out, like maybe 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. Because the famous tuner VitTune, or infamous, I guess you would say. VitTune has been doing Hondas for years, but Motec bought him out.
Oh yeah.
Bought him out. I can't speak. Is that a problem?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
That's normal.
Yeah, so Motec bought him out, so he no longer does tunes for e-tunes. So yeah, so this company came along. VitTune provided a DIY flex fuel kit for like $650, and it came with a tune, but it was all plug and play. So this company came out and has a kit for $300, and you have to kind of make all the connectors and whatnot. But they also provide another kit for $450 with everything plug and play. But there's no tune with it.
So you went the cheap route.
Yeah, obviously.
Save a little money.
That's what we do.
We kind of know what we're doing sometimes.
Dude, do you hear that fly?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
All right. So basically, what's the goal here? You want to feed it some corn because it's a Honda, right?
Yeah, since it's a little 1.5 liter.
1.5. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I thought it was 1.6.
Did you really?
But now I know. Yeah.
It's not a velocity.
1.5. So it likes
not that
corn.
good.
It like. Wait. Oh.
You're so slow with the.
So the Mustang is more of a carnivore. That's why it's still on that straight fossil fuel
Yeah.
meat diet. Of
So
93 pump. So
They're like the underdog, so they need a little
Oh,
more,
okay.
a little more spark. Fuel lines right here. We're gonna remove that. There's 2 white connectors, and then the flex fuel sensor is gonna probably sit right here, and that's gonna be connected to the K-tuner flex fuel converter, and that box is probably gonna. I don't know where we're gonna put it. And it just needs power and the signal to go into the Honda ECU. And that's it.
and you gotta tap in the fuse box
Yeah, for the power.
just for power.
So never bridge the. No, just kidding. So, oh, I can't get it off. We already came into a problem here.
Step 1, buy a Honda.
Yes.
Step 2,
That was golden.
remove
See,
fuel lines.
non-scripted stuff is the best. Come on. There we go. Look at that.
All right.
What? Look. Now you just edit that out, and it looks like you're a genius.
There you go.
See? Always a 10 mil.
You're just loosening a bracket. It looks like it's
Yeah, I'm just gonna take this off. Just.
in the way of the
Yeah.
fuel line.
Oh, should I just let it run?
Is the lock coming out or is it
Not
just
really.
dripping a little?
Oh, I feel the bubbles going up.
I can hear it.
There we go. Oh wow, didn't even.
Camera
You're
on?
right.
Not much in it?
Yeah.
Good to go?
Is that okay? Or?
Yeah, it's fine. Wait a second. What are those?
Link in description. So it gives you the cut points. I like a nice crease.
That's important.
Oh, good. I was looking at upside down. Okay.
Oh, never mind.
See that? Oh wow. Isn't that cool?
Did trim something.
Oh, there we go. That's pretty good.
Okay, yeah, almost.
Oh, it's saying to heat it up. Once the fuel line has been cut, discard the middle section that was cut out.
Okay.
Did a fuse puller
Isn't that nice?
with their fuse cover.
So you know you're buying a good quality used car when that is still in the car because you know no one messed with it.
This car was used?
That was brand new.
Oh,
I'm just saying
if you were.
if
I got it.
like
I
any
got it,
car.
I got it. Yep.
damaged Jeez,
Here you
holy
go.
crap, it scared me. I thought it was on or something. I don't know why. I don't know
Could you
why.
hear it?
The image to the right, also provided by Honda, shows a completed sensor installation without hose clamps. Okay.
Yeah, so you do use
So we
them.
do.
But soften them first because I'm sure that hard plastic is not going to go on that right now.
Well, where's that stance? Dang, dang.
No, not yet.
Yeah, you might need to get it warmer, and you might want to wear gloves.
Dude, that is really hot. Ouch, 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 ouch.
Look at that.
I mean, it's like, while your water is heating up,
Because your hairdryer broke.
we're gonna cut the crap out of this.
Cut the side of your fuse box so you can fit the add a fuse
Oh wow, that cuts right through.
piece in there. Which fuse number are you pulling?
732.
That's not good.
It is VB space ACT.
Oh, does it have a number next to it?
27. Fuse
All right.
27.
27 is the one you pull.
Fuse 27. So
Gotta tell the people how to do it.
I'm assuming this is just replacing both then? Or
This
it's
replaces
replacing
one,
this.
and then it adds one for the new circuit.
Wow,
That's what it's doing.
Has technology gone too far?
Yes.
Just instantly shocks me. Look at that.
Plug it in. Got your clearance cut. Freaking sweet. That's a professional job there.
Now you add this. This is where you get your power from. So we're
Lies.
gonna put it in here.
Lies.
Get your 10
I
mil
don't
to.
even know how to take that
10
out.
mil to-
Alright, that's probably a good thing.
Let's check if the water's boiling.
Check it if the water's boiling. Now what? Now we got both of our lines on.
It's right here.
Yeah. So we got both of our lines on the barb fittings
Just tighten
there, and this one. Just tightening the hose clamps now.
Wait, which way? There's an arrow, right?
Yeah, you should probably do that right.
Yeah, there's an arrow.
But do you know which way this fuel line's flowing?
That's what the arrow's for.
But do you know which way this is flowing? Like, is it from the engine to the other part? Consult the directions.
Got it. Freaking E85'd up, baby.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Dang, dude.
So, well, the flex fuel center, sir, it'll just kind of float there, right? You don't need to even mount it, right?
Correct.
There's not much weight to it or anything.
Sensor mounted.
Fuel line's back installed.
This
There
is
you go.
gonna sit somewhere in
Oh,
the
you
engine
got
bay
that guy
too. So we'll probably just mount that right there.
That'd be good.
Yep. We are gonna wire up everything. Right now I'm putting power to the flex fuel sensor itself and then to the converter box. So we already took, did we show this?
Yep.
Yeah, we took this part out because this is too big for the fuse box. So, but we're gonna crimp this together.
So we're putting 2 wires in the end of the crimp because we're trying to power 2 different things.
Yeah, that's what the directions say. So.
Yep. So you know how to use one of these guys?
Oh, you actually got an official.
Yeah, dude. I don't mess around. You see how it's color coded on the other side? Blue. Blue.
What?
You know how to use that? That boy.
That's crazy.
Just click it like once. Well, put it like around it and then click it like once so it's kind of at the right spot. Go the whole way. Yep. Yep. Now do a little pull test. Make sure it's actually good. Well.
Oh yeah. Wow, that is legit.
Seems pretty good.
Oh yeah. So this is already getting power. Now, the black obviously is the ground.
You just ground that anywhere?
Yeah, I'm gonna use the official ground,
Which is?
right here, where the battery is.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or you can actually mount it right
No,
now.
I'm not gonna.
We got a little twist tie.
Yeah, why not?
cute.
Why not? Huh? Make sure it doesn't run away.
Yeah, a little twist tie. Twist tie. That's
Dude,
funny.
so legit.
I like it. It's a Honda, so.
I haven't upgraded to zip tie yet. Say what you want about Honda, but these things are pretty slow. Alright, so I just added more work for myself.
We're all beginners here.
Can you stop? I put this intake in. Look at that.
Look at that.
Still working good.
Sick. What are you doing now?
We're gonna try and get to the ECT
Sensor?
2 sensor.
ECT2 sensor. So we're jacking around a little bit.
Yeah, just a hair. And we're gonna see if we can see it here.
Flashlight right there. Jigs.
Where you can buy the ultimate Magnaflow exhaust. Do you like power? Do you want to put a 2.5-inch straight pipe on your Duramax? Jigs. So what does this bad boy look like?
It looks like a connector.
It does look like, okay, alright.
That's about it.
Alright. How the heck, how the French toast do you? Well, I'm gonna die. So we got it all wired up, hopefully. The only thing that's a pain is the ECT2 connector, which is way down under there at the very bottom of the radiator. And it's super hard to get to the wires. So what we did, Joey had these cool little connectors, so hopefully they work.
Splice-in connector kind of deal.
Yeah, so the pass-through wire goes through here on this side, and then you can see this one doesn't go anywhere. So the wire that goes to the K-tuner gets put in there, and then you press them together. Yeah. So hopefully it's making a connection with this metal piece. All right, so we finished flashing. You're gonna key it off, and key it back on, and hopefully fuel doesn't squirt out of it. Is it good? Up there? You're not looking?
I didn't know you started.
So now, we can go to layout, and that is text item 5, I think. And we want ethanol. We're at 52%.
That's right.
No.
Wait.
So basically,
Oh.
this thing didn't work.
I already got rid of it. 'cause
Okay,
didn't
yeah,
work,
it was garbage.
so-
It was
We already
garbage.
talked about that. The splice connection didn't work.
Yeah, so it didn't
So it
pierce
didn't-
the wire.
yeah.
So it didn't have a connection, I guess. That's why I was reading 52%. So I just cut them and spliced them and diced them. So,
There you go.
and it's in electrical tape now. So hopefully it doesn't rain. So, let's try and start it up here. Give me a sec. And as you can see, it's reading 10% now. 9%, 10%.
Just right on where it should be.
Yeah.